Students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSEB solution, Kids Zone and general knowledge, courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletters, new course announcement. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any question, suggestion, feedback or comment, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 6 social science history chapter 6 new courses and ideas. New questions and ideas. First question. Describe the way in which the Buddha tried to spread his message to the people. Buddha taught the people in Pratik, which was the language of the ordinary people, so that everybody could understand his message without any difficulty. He also encouraged people to think for themselves rather to simply accept what he said. Buddha himself set an example to lead a simple life. Gautam Buddha moved from place to place to give his message to all people, ordinary as well as people from other classes of society. Second, write whether true or false. The Buddha encouraged animal sacrifices. False. Sarnath is important because it was the place where the Buddha taught for the first time. True. The Buddha taught that karma has no effect on our lives. False. The Buddha attained enlightenment at Bodh Gaya. True. Upanishadic thinkers believed that the Atma and Brahman were ultimately on. True. Third question. What were the questions that Upanishadic thinkers wanted to answer? Upanishadic thinkers wanted to know about life after death. Some wanted to know why sacrifices should be performed. They felt that there had to be something permanent in the universe that lasted even after death. Their ideas are recorded in the Upanishads. Fourth question. What were the main teachings of the Mahavira? The main teachings of Mahavira are: he taught a simple doctrine: men and women who wish to know the truth must leave their homes. They must follow rules of ahimsa, which means not hurting or killing living beings very strictly. For example, they had to cover their mouth and nose with cloth. This was to ensure that they do not kill by mistake, kill small insects by hot steam of breathing. All beings, said Mahavira, long to live. To all things life is dear. Lead a simple and pure life. Do not steal and lead a simple life. Mahavir was against caste system. He questioned the superiority of Brahmins. He laid stress on three ratna or three jewels of life: right conduct, right belief and right knowledge. Let's discuss. Why do you think Agna's mother wanted her to know the story of Buddha? Buddha was the founder of Buddhism and he was the wise one. His stories could be inspirational and motivational to students. So Agna's mother wanted her to know his story. Do you think it will have been easy for slaves to join the Sangha? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, I think it would have been easy for slaves to join the Sangha because Buddha favored and stressed equality of human beings. Moreover, some slaves were very good at their work and performed many useful services for the people of Sanghas. This was chapter 6 of standard 6 NCERT of social science. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.